Hello everyone, welcome to this week's devlog for Clustercraft, Strong Compute's 3D Compute Manager. We have some cool updates to our charting and visualization systems that we think you're going to find super cool. So first of all, in all of the modes, the game, sandbox, and live mode, we have new charts that look like bar charts instead of pie charts. You could just kind of pop them open like this and drag them wherever you like. We have one for the distribution of your cost across all of the clusters and resources you have. We see how much of your budget is going towards infrastructure and silos and how much of it is being used. And we can actually see if we were to make some regions and stuff, they would update on the side in real time. So if we had a new cluster with like 64 nodes, it would end up being pretty expensive. It's going to pop up as a new chart here, which is super, super sick. If we created some space to run some work and put a job on here, we're going to see the usage chart go up as soon as that job is ready. There you go, a little bit more in use. If we chuck one up that uses like 256 GPUs at once, that goes on, even more of it is in use. So yeah, these you can throw them up on your big screen in your office and have your live view of all of your infrastructure up and literally just see your charting in real time, which is super cool. We've also got a brand new view that I think Ethan's going to be really excited to show you.
Yeah, that's right. We've been looking at how we display location data throughout the entire development of the system. And at the request of some playtesters, they've really wanted to see where their infrastructure is generally located in the world. So to do that, I'll just click on this little button at the top here that activates globe view. So we can now pan around the globe and it'll show all of your infrastructure and where it roughly might be located in the world. We might need to grab a bit more data that fine tunes exactly where they are. But you can hover over each silo and region and then you can click them and it'll zoom straight in and it'll go straight back to the original view and automatically select that view. So you can just jump in between both view modes to see not only where your real world data is, real world infrastructure is, but then also really quickly be able to jump between the views so you can then manipulate them however you like. We're currently working on ways to make that globe react in real time. We do have that on a development branch at the moment, not this current one. But we will be able to show that in real time on the globe.
There you go. So I just created a brand new region and actually set the country, which we didn't do for that one we made
correct,
earlier.
Yes.
But this one is in New Zealand. You just click on that.
And it'll automatically select it. So this works for regions and silos as well. So it'll just provide a bit more context as to roughly where your data is located in the world for silos, where your data sets are stored, and then also where your jobs are running in the world with showing where regions are. So we'll be updating the globe view with a whole bunch of different information. We'll probably show where data is flowing from between places if that's happening. We can show a whole bunch of different things. We've got a whole bunch of different ideas in the pipeline. So we're super excited to show that off in the future.
Well, that's it for this week. Thank you.
See you next week.